Sup, nerds? I hate to break it to you, but Googling is kind of dead. So I built an AI research assistant that lives in Telegram, and it answers literally any question I throw at it in seconds. No browser tabs, no scrolling through outdated blogs, no ChatGPT hallucinations, just pure, real-time AI-powered answers using GPT-4o, DeepSeek, SerpAI, all stitched together inside N8n. Here's how it works. Let's be honest, online research sucks. Whether you're comparing products, making a business decision, or just trying to find the most recent data on a topic, you're bouncing between Google, ChatGPT, Reddit, and a million open tabs. Even ChatGPT on its own doesn't help much, unless it's hooked up to a live search tool. And juggling all these tools wastes your time and kills your focus. I wanted something better. A system that understands what I'm asking, researches it in real time, and delivers the results straight to my phone, formatted, summarized, and linked. So I built it. This AI research assistant does exactly what I used to waste 30 minutes doing in about 10 seconds. Here's how it works. I send a message to my Telegram bot, any question I want answered. An AI agent powered by DeepSeek R1 rewrites or clarifies my queries so it's clean and search ready. Then GPT-4o connected to SerpAI runs a live web search, pulls in the most relevant data, and summarizes it intelligently. Then I get a clean response in Telegram, complete with text, links, and even images when I need it. No logins, no jumping between tools, no hallucinations, just actionable answers in your pocket. Let me show you exactly how this AI research assistant works under the hood, built entirely in N8n. It all starts with this Telegram trigger node. It listens for any incoming message sent to your bot. Think of this as the front door of your workflow. Once someone sends a question, the automation kicks off. Next, the message goes to the first AI agent powered by DeepSeek R1. Its job is to understand what the user really means. If the question is vague, DeepSeek clarifies it. If it's messy, it reformulates it into something cleaner and more search-friendly. This step is like having a smart researcher who knows how to ask the right question before looking for answers. Now here's where the magic happens. The clarified question is then passed to a second AI agent using OpenAI's GPT-4o Mini, with SerpAI enabled as a tool. This is where real-time research happens. GPT-4o sends the query to SerpAI, which fetches live search results from the web, and the AI summarizes the best content, articles, and answers. No hallucinations, no outdated training data, just fresh results. Then finally, we format the response. Text, links, even images if we need it, and send it right back to the same Telegram user using the send message node. It feels like texting a genius research assistant who's always on call. Before you build this workflow, here's what you'll need. A Telegram bot. You can make one with BotFather and grab your API token, an OpenAI account with your API key and credits for GPT-4o Mini, a SerpAPI account. You'll get 100 free searches every month, a DeepSeek account with API key and balance for using the R1 model, and a public N8n instance to put it all together. Here's a few pro tips to get everything working smoothly. You'll get an access token from BotFather as you set up your Telegram bot, which you'll want to plug in right here. Then you can set up your DeepSeek credentials, same way, to create a chat model agent node that uses the R1 model to process input. Same thing happens with this OpenAI model here, and the SerpAPI node, which also needs an API key from SerpAPI, will enable it to search the web live. Now, as you can see here, this research agent is pretty robust. I've been testing it with all sorts of, weird and sometimes kind of vague queries as of May 2024, so it's not always perfectly up to date, but still some good answers, even if it's not always up to speed. But the crazy part is it's better than ChatGPT with browsing. Why? because I control exactly how it searches and how it formats the answer and how it delivers instantly in Telegram, like a conversation with a plugged in expert. It not only nails the answer to these weird, vague prompts, but it includes links to pages, Reddit threads, and image examples. And if you want to go even further, add in automations, memory, even voice replies, once the structure's in place, you can build kind of whatever assistant your workflow needs. This is just the beginning, and with that, be sure to leave a like, share your thoughts with the class, and before you subscribe, make sure you know what you're doing, because it ain't easy being at the top. We'll see you guys next time.
Cutting through the blazing rain. Thunder rolling, but I ride the wave again. Deep tide rising, hear the echo call.